To add a dataset, select the Datasets button on the left-hand side of the screen, and then select Add New Datasets. We'll name the datasets, in this case invoices, and we'll upload around 200 samples for model training. Here we're going to upload 220 sample invoices so that we can automate our invoice process. Those files will process, and this is when quick validation is happening to ensure that each file type is supported within this dataset and can be used for model training. Select Process Documents, and the OCR process kicks off. OCR is a vital part of Indico and allows us to extract the text from each of the documents, whether they are native or non-native PDFs, TIFFs, or other supported file types. OCR text is also vital to understanding the content and context rather than the layout of the document so that Indico can be more performant on a wider range of unstructured, semi-structured, or structured documents. And just like that, our dataset upload and processing is complete. And now we can add team members to our dataset or start creating a teach task to train a model.